Text, and I'm going to show you today how we're going to scale our design for our graphic up to 8 inches by 8 inches. I've shared with you a Google drawing that's called 8-inch by 8-inch box. What you're going to do is you're going to make a copy of that. So you're going to click on it and you're going to say make a copy and get rid of copy of and put your name at the end. You can put a hyphen or your first and last name, and you're going to hit OK. And then that way you're going to have a copy to work on for yours. And then what we're going to do is we're going to bring in our scan and blow it up to 8 inches by 8 inches. So I'm going to go to Insert, Image, and I'm going to upload the image or the scan that we did in the last class into my drawing. You can double click that or hit insert. Now at this point I have to pick which of the four I want to do. So I'm going to pick this one in the upper right. So in order to crop this so that I have only that image available to me, I'm going to double click into the image so that the the edges turn into a cropping mechanism. And I'm going to grab the handles, the cropping handles, and notice that it turns to an arrow when you crop. You guys probably know this already, but you're going to want it to go into that singular arrow mode and then bring it over the area that you want to crop. And I'm bringing it right to the edge there. And when you're ready, you're going to hit enter, the enter key, and that is going to give you your image. So bring the image over here to the left or to the right so that it's overlapping the bigger box. And you're going to click on the big box and you're going to go up to Arrange and go to Order and bring it to the front so that it overlaps the other image. And there's a reason behind this, and that's because when you click this, I can't click on the image behind it. But I do want this border around my image so I know where to cut in the next step. So now you're going to select with the selection tool, you're going to select the image and you're going to go over to Format Options, which is over on the right hand side. You're going to click that and you're going to click the little arrow for size and position. And you're going to check off the box that says Lock Aspect Ratio. And then you're going to change the size of the image, the width and the height, to 8. And it might just do it automatically for you. Now, go and click the image and bring it over. Oops. Now you see what happened? Like I said, it doesn't select. If this is in front, it's going to select the box. So we have to go over beyond the box to select our image, and now we're going to move it into the area where the box is. And you can see when I click away, you now have a nice border around your image. And this is going to be really helpful because you're going to print out 4 of these and then cut them out, leaving about 1/4 of an inch all the way around. So give it a whirl.